Free giveaway at Best Choice Services. We're ensuring peace of mind and year-long comfort by cleaning HVAC systems and getting them back to running smoothly. And here's the exciting part. We're giving 5 random new or existing clients a free AC checkup. Just like share and comment BEST for your chance to win. During the checkup, we'll inspect your motors, compressor, and major components and ensure your system is running to manufacturer specs. Let us help you get your system right, offer maximum comfort and efficiency. Follow us for more tips and updates. We'd love to help you next.